Hello, tutor. My name is Mauricio Riaño. I am 44 years old. I was born in Facatativá. I am married. I like to play soccer. I work in Agrosavia as laboratory operator. I am a student and the technology in agricultural production. I live in Facatativá. I have a daughter. Panama vacation. My last vacation trip to Panama with my wife. It was a trip that lasted 6 days. The vacation package cost us 3 million pesos. What I liked the most was the sea. Since I did not know it, we visit places like the Panama and the big shopping centers that are the city. Enjoy the beach, the pools, the food and the culture of the place. Recommendation. You must visit the Panama Canal and Museo. You must visit Bastimentos Island, located in the Bocas del Toro archipelago. You must visit the old city and the ruins. You must visit the Biomuseo, designed by Frank Gehry. You must not forget your passport. You must carry dollars for your purchases. You must not forget to visit the Bridge of the Americas. You must schedule your purchases in the colon-free zone. Keep in mind, you should always apply sunscreen. You should not buy tickets in the street. Just wash them at the ticket office. You shall plan your purchases in the places and the shopping centers you are going to visit. Thank you.